Alright guys, here for another episode of It Blows or It Goes. Down here at the Gangster. We just cranking it each day. I think I missed a day yesterday. Kevin, blind luck mechanic. It's 7 o'clock. I got CPAP hair, don't care. No shades on. We're about to piss the neighbors off. Because we're going to let her sing. If I can find the key. Come out wherever you are, key. There you are. Alright, y'all know the deal. Oh, I'm gonna turn the switch on first. Let the fuel pump a little bit. Then I'm gonna give it one pump on the accelerator pump or on the accelerator pedal. There's the pump. There's the one accelerator pump. I'm gonna stand back out of the truck. Watch this. Proform 650 race series, baby. Dialed in on the money. Well, I say that. Let's give it a second pump. I look like I got a dummy. There it is. Idling away. Should have given it 2 pumps to begin with. That 2 pump chump, you know. And that's making the exhaust pressure. Feels it on my feet. All right, it's warmed up. Trying to load up a little bit. Well, we'll clear it out a little bit. No, goodness gracious. I got an oil change for this bad girl today. Here we go. Let's get. I need to get my rev limiter, my dual stage rev limiter hooked up. That way I can put it on the chip. Right now it's set at 7,000, so I ain't that brave. Set it at about 4,500 and give her the beans. Love it. I do. I don't care if they love it or not. Love you, neighbors.